Hey everybody, this is Jason coming at you one more again. We're here at Joe Ellis's talking about his new TLR 22 5.0 Elite that he just got. This is fresh off the track from BeachRC. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but here we go. Just right off the bat, what I noticed is they got new carbon fiber shock tires front and rear. Did they have that on the other 5.0 kit, the carbon fiber shock tires?
It was an option before, and you could get, these are the +2 towers. They're 2 millimeters taller, both of them.
Okay.
And it was an option before, but now it's standard with the kit.
Okay. What was your initial impression on the track with this kit? She's good. Like when you,
I mean, not to be like over dramatic with it, but I've been doing this since I've been racing since I was 12 years old, and I'm somewhere in my 40s now. And this is the best kit I've had out of the box ever.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
This car was amazing.
Okay. I mean, this is the world's year, or the world's happening, right now, or in a month or so, I think is. Yeah, I think it's somewhere around then. Speaking on the shocks, you said they upgraded the shocks.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what they did, but I think the bushings are different. I know the shafts are different. I do run the aluminum caps, and I know we talked about that last time you did a video.
Yeah.
They come with the composite caps, which are fine. I just like that little peace of mind, you know. I could be a little heavy with the Allen wrench sometimes, and I'm always afraid I'm going to strip that bleeder hole out.
Right.
So I just put the aluminum ones on it, so I'm not in a panic one day at the track.
The hubs, the rear hubs. How you like the rear hubs?
The rear hubs were pretty cool. I really like how all of the axle and the dog bone and everything goes together. There's no more set screw. It's I'm not sure if they call that a CVA or a CVD, but it now has the pin is captured by the bearing instead of having a set screw hold it in.
Right.
That and the C and D block are different now. I really like the adjustability on the C and D block, which is kind of cool. I mean, I'm gonna have to learn a little bit about it, but I like how you can move the track width in and out, and you can change the dog bone, the dog bone plunge on it.
Same arms, right? Or different arms?
No, they're different arms.
Different arms?
Yep.
Oh wow. Okay. Axle, or not axle, the shaft here, the drive shaft, dog bone. Is that the same or is that different?
Yeah, that's still a 67 millimeter.
Okay.
Which was, I believe, the same ones that are running the 5.0. That's what I had in my 5.0.
Okay.
And you can change that. They have a couple of options for that.
The cool thing I noticed about this kit, and we talked about it, is you get all the hop-up parts. I'm going to try to zoom in. And other kits don't offer this, like this aluminum steering racks up here. The aluminum steering racks, servo brace. Other kits don't offer that, and this comes in the kit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all comes with the kit. All the black anodized. I really like the black anodizing and everything.
Right. If I can.
Not that I don't like the hard anodized color. I like that too, but it's pretty cool to have the car all blacked out.
Yeah. What did you, when you had your 5th or 10th run with this car, is there anything you changed, like setup wise, with this one, or it flowed at BeachRC?
It was spot on for BeachRC. The only thing I changed is I shortened up the wheelbase, moving the hubs forward in the back a little bit, and moved the battery back. And basically, I just was looking for a little more turn in. you know, lighten up the front end a little bit so it'll turn in a little better. And I'll probably get people to say that's not how you do that, but it works for me.
It works for you. That's all that matters.
Now, don't make fun of my Traxxas.
Good old Traxxas. Good old.
I've had that motor for years.
Yeah. Yeah. Good old Traxxas. I mean, it's hard to believe they came and put so much in the kit that you get that other brands it would be a hop up part. Like they wouldn't even include that in the kit, you know?
Yeah. Titanium turnbuckles.
Oh, they brought titanium. Oh wow.
In the kit.
Oh wow.
Yep.
So that TLR just took it a step further with the other brands.
They really did. You know, I don't know all of who was involved in getting this kit done the way it is, but I know Frank Root was, you know, obviously a major part of it. And man, he definitely nailed it on this one.
Wow. Did you change springs any?
No, kit springs.
So right out of the box, kit springs, everything.
Yeah. Kit springs, kit oil.
Oh wow. We talked earlier, and it doesn't come with wheels. But for what you get right out of the box with this kit, I mean, come on. I mean, you're getting all the hop-up parts.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't fault them for the no wheels. I mean, if that's what they had to do to put all the other stuff in the box.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks.
Right. The front axles up here. Is that still the same 5.0, or did they change some of that up front?
All of that's the same, except for it comes with the aluminum inserts now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it comes with two. You're really only supposed to run them on the outer, or I think the outer.
Right.
I've always put them on the outer, and I never had any problems. So. Okay.
So like everything that a racer or somebody would complain or say about TLR, they have just answered all the questions with this kit.
I mean, you know, if you look at it, everything's above and beyond what you would normally get in a kit.
Okay. And you know, I really like how they tribute that kit to Brian Kenwall.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
The Dirt Nader.
Yeah.
All right. I got a little treat, or Joe's got a little treat for you. I'm gonna break out. He's got this car that he's been working on. The TLR Elite car. They don't have a stock racer kit in this yet, but Joe has got another Elite kit that he's doing, and he's doing it straight up for stock. So he's made his own Elite stock racer. So I'm gonna break this kit out and show y'all, and we're gonna talk about it. I mean, it's pretty trick. So here we go. It's still a work in progress. I like these aluminum rear hubs there. You want to talk about these rear hubs, Joe?
Yeah, I didn't see any problems with the other ones, but those sure do look good.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
I like, you know, it's got the little TLR on them.
Yeah, yeah.
That was pretty cool.
You went aluminum CVAs, CVDs? Or?
Yeah, the dog bones.
Yeah.
I put aluminum dog bones in there.
Is that a Losi part?
That's a Losi part, yep.
Okay.
And that was, I don't know if that was off of the spec racer, the 3.0 spec racer or the 4.0 spec racer, but I've had those and they fit, so I used them.
Okay.
And it's got the spec racer diff in it, the one with the aluminum rings around it.
Yep.
So I put that in there, and the cut gears.
Okay.
And I know a lot of people like to run their their slipper, like I know that this was like a fad for a little bit to run the slipper eliminator.
Yeah.
And then everybody said, "Oh, you want to run the slipper on it?" But I don't know if I just have a little different driving style. Maybe I don't pull the trigger as hard as most should. You know, I'm getting old. But I like the lightweight transmission with that. This has got the Exotech flight top shaft and the Exotech gear, and I had this Exotech motor plate, so I stuck that in there.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, I was going all for weight. I've done some other transmission modifications.
Right, right.
You know, in my opinion, the lighter you can get that drive line, the harder you can drive it off a corner. So.
Right. So you didn't go with your usual motor of choice.
Yeah.
You went with a Trinity here.
That's a brand new Trinity. I'm not even sure what it's called. I think it's X Power, maybe. I don't remember.
X Factor.
X Factor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, Trinity. But that's one of their certified motors. And I had one of their other certified motors in there, and it was super fast. So we'll give this one a shot too.
You went for Trinity battery.
Yeah, I've had that one for a while. I'm sure you can get a fresher battery than I've had it for a couple of years, I guess.
Right.
But I don't know. I may have to get a new one. I don't know. That one's starting to get a little puffiness to it.
I'm beginning to think like this is the kit to get, like with all the parts and stuff that you get with that. Like I said, other brands, like with the steering up front, you would have to pay extra for that. And trust me, I know I paid extra for that. That's about $17, $25. So you're looking at about $50, $40 for that steering, and they just included it in the kit. Oh, another thing I want to hit on with this is Joe has went for lightness all over the car. He's put some aluminum screws in.
I use the aluminum screws, and they're not for everybody.
Right.
Just like titanium, the head will strip out. You got to be real careful with them, and you know, I used to put them everywhere, including on the chassis, and then I had to add, like, I think my last car I had to add almost 90 grams.
Oh wow.
Of weight to the car.
Wow.
And which, I mean, it's kind of nice because you could put it right under the battery, right in the center of the car,
right?
Or right, you know, like the heavy C block, but I did put, you know, steel screws all throughout on the chassis all the way down.
So you kept your weight down low.
Yep.
How much did your Elite weigh here? How much did you
know, I didn't weigh it.
Yeah, weighed it.
I would imagine without doing any modification, it's got to be pretty close to weight. But when we went to race that last weekend, I got done at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
And we left at 5:30.
Right.
So
and for y'all,
and then drove for 4 hours.
Yeah, for y'all that don't know, our local track is 4.5 hours away.
Yeah. And
we still got a ton of people in this area that still race, still sponsor, still doing it. Yeah. So for y'all complaining that about y'all's tracks at home, that you know.
Yeah. Support your track.
Support your track.
Or it'll go away.
What's that song? You don't know what you got until it's gone.
Yeah, we used to have a nice track right here, and
yeah. But yeah, this is Joe Ellis's Elite. Thank you, Joe.
Anytime.
Put your bodies back on.
Yeah, I had to use an old body. I didn't have a chance to get my new bodies back yet.
Yeah.
Hopefully this week. We're going to another club race in a couple days. So.
Oh, that was the question. Is TLR, did they do their own bodies, or is that J Concept, or if you know of, or?
I believe it's all TLR. I don't believe, I mean, you know, nothing ever says it's Concepts or Proline or anything.
Okay.
I don't believe it's anybody else.
Okay. But this right here, like you said, you've been doing this a number of years. This is the best kit you've driven to date.
Yeah. Yeah, that's you know, it's not an exaggeration. It's just, you know, I've never had a kit come out of the box and go on the track and handle like this did. Just everything was spot on. You know?
How was fit and finishing, like the parts and stuff?
Oh God, I didn't have to do anything to this car. I didn't have to ream a pinhole. Everything went together. You know, I never had one problem with it.
And y'all can go back and look at
Both cars.
the 5.0 shock build, how he built his shocks, to show you how he does it. And you said the shocks really brought this car. Like, there's a lot of other stuff, but
I think so. I guess I like the feel of the 3.5 shafts more than the 3 mil shafts. Maybe I like it because it packs up a little more.
The jumping and landing part.
Yeah, it just felt so stable and so planted.
Okay.
I guess the best way to put it is it felt racy, you know.
Well, you felt like you could push.
I felt like I could drive it hard, and you know, and that's hard for, you know, an old man.
Well, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Joe, thank you for the video here, and getting back to kind of what I used to do here. Sorry that's been a minute.
Welcome back.
Sorry it's been a minute, but you know, life hits you. But anyway, thank y'all guys for tuning in.